Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? So today we're going to do an unboxing from Diamond Art Club, and it's called Clematis Stained Glass by Peggy Collins, and it's absolutely beautiful, guys. Okay, so it's a square. It comes always in a very shiny box. Scan me and unlock for 10% off. In the back it tells you what's inside the box, the kit, and how it works step by step. So let's turn this baby around and let's look at it. So you got the toolkit, you got the sticker. It always comes with two stickers, a big one and a little one. Okay, let's put the canvas over there. All right, so this is the small sticker. You could either put this in your lockbook or you could actually put it on the top or underneath your box. This is the toolkit. All right, let's see what we have in here. Oops. Okay, so we have the resealable bags just in case you don't have the containers with you, and you could put the drills in here if you're traveling. You have the tweezer, very, very sharp tweezers. You have two waxes, heart shape, and it comes in a heart container shape, heart container, which is very cute. It comes with, look at how pretty this washi tape is. Isn't that pretty? Very nice. And it comes with a very pretty pink flower, cover minder. And it comes with a pink pen and a pink pen grip. This is for to help you with your fingers. Okay. And it comes with two multi-placers and of course a tray. So it has everything. All right. And all the Diamond Art Club paintings always come in this plastic bag. So when it's traveling, it keeps it protected. And it always says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. And I say, do what makes you happy. So let's turn this baby around. This is, I think, a big one, guys. Let's put the plastic bag over there. These are the drills. Okay, let's move the canvas over there. All right, so here we have the big sticker, and look at how gorgeous that is. Okay, and it tells you Clematis Stained Glass. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, so I apologize. By Peggy Collins. You put the start date, the end date, and you can put this in your logbook. Okay, it comes with pre-cut stickers, so you can put them on your containers. All right, let's put that aside. It also comes with a thank you for your purchase, what's included in the kit, and tips and tricks. And of course, look at the drills. Look at these colors, guys. All right, and the drills always comes with a sticker, and it tells you the name of the painting. So just in case you separate the drills from the painting, you'll know that these drills belong to that painting. Okay, so what do we know? Well, let's bring back the canvas. Okay, so the canvas with Diamond Art Club is always very, very soft, guys. Okay, and it's designed that way to help with to prevent wrinkling and fraying. All right, so let's see. See, it looks like it's going to be this way. Oh my gosh, I'm going to unroll it first. It's actually not that big. It's big, but it's not that big. Okay, I'm just going to do this so I can flatten it a little bit, because you can with Diamond Art Club. Remember, it's been traveling. It's been in the box for a while. Okay, so that's good. So what do we know about Peggy Collins? Peggy is from Canada. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Peggy is from Canada, and she is a nature photographer and a digital artist. And she loves to go on hikes, and usually she takes her camera with her and she takes pictures of nature. Okay. Peggy also has, I believe, 8 paintings that she sells at from Diamond Art Club. And one is water lilies, silver husky dog, and pink ragdoll cat. And most of them, they all look like stained glass. So they have that look to them. Okay, so always it tells you on the top, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. And then on the bottom here, can you see that? Yeah, it has a picture. It tells you DAC, which is Diamond Art Club, Clematis Stained Glass, 30 inches by 20 inches and 76.0 centimeters by 50.8 centimeters. Peggy Collins, Diamond Art Club. And in the middle, It always tells you take 10 for 10% for your next order. It tells you where you can find them on Facebook and Instagram. And then over here, it has the lifetime warranty, which is wonderful. It's got a 30-day money-back warranty. It's got a free diamond spill insurance, and it's got a 10% cashback rewards with every order, which is awesome, guys. And they also always come with 2 legends. So you have one on the right-hand side and one on the left-hand side. Okay, so if we look at the legend, this beautiful painting, hopefully there's no glare. Let's see. Okay. This beautiful painting it tells you it has 67 colors. Wow. This is going to be major confetti, guys. 67 colors. And then in the middle, it tells you the symbol. The symbols are what's in the painting, and that's where you're going to put the drills. And then, of course, the color code are the DMC numbers. All right, so let's look at this beautiful painting, guys. And what do we see? Well, you see a beautiful, beautiful flower. And I looked up Clematis Stained Glass, which Clematis just means it's a flower. It's a leathery flower. Like the petals are like leathery. They feel like leather. And they're mainly of Chinese and Japanese origin. Okay. And so you have this beautiful flower, and it's like yellow. It has like a yellow core, and it's got like a little orange, a red orange in the middle. And then the petals, as you can see, you've got beautiful colors. You've got blues, you've got greens, you've got pinks and purples all coming out. And I'm sure there's going to be, oh, and I think this has 6 ABs, guys. So can you imagine? And then over here, if you look, then you have that stained glass look. But also when you look at this painting, it looks like it's an up close. Like she went really, really close to take a picture of it, and then she painted it. That's what it looks like. It's an up close picture. And of course it has, like I said, that stained glass look, which is beautiful. It reminds me of the churches in the north, where they have all those old beautiful churches with those stained glass windows. I just love it. Okay, so let's look at the colors. All right, let's begin. 152 is shell pink medium light. I think we could put it right there. 154 is grape very dark. Move this a little closer now so we can see the colors. 155 is blue violet medium dark. Let's move them closer. 162, and we have 2 of these. 162 is blue ultra very light. 208 is lavender very dark. 210 is lavender medium. 300 is mahogany very dark. And 301 is mahogany medium. So I'm going to put it right next to that one. 310, we got 2 bags, and this is black. 333 is blue. Oh wait, I'm missing one. What did I do here? Sorry about that. Okay, what did I do? 310. Okay, 315. 315 is antique mauve medium dark. 319 is pistachio green very dark. Sorry about that, guys. 321 is red. And 333 is blue violet very dark. 340 is like a very light violet, because I forgot to write that one on. Okay. Yeah. Okay, 400 is mahogany dark. 445 is lemon light. And 605 is cranberry very light. 704 is chartreuse bright. 718 is plum. 741 is tangerine medium. 742 is tangerine light. This is a very pretty color. 747 is sky blue, ultra light. 772 is yellow green. Yeah, it's like a yellow green, ultra light. 782 is topaz dark. 783 is topaz medium. I'm trying to go fast, guys, because there's a lot of numbers, a lot of colors. 794 is cornflower light. 796 is royal blue dark. And 797, you have two of these, and this is royal blue. 807 is peacock blue. 814 is garnet dark. It's a pretty color. 815 is garnet medium. 819 is baby pink light. And 820, we have two bags of 820, and this is royal blue, very dark. 826 is blue medium. I think we have space here. 890 is pistachio green, ultra dark. Okay, now we're in the 900s. 904 is parrot green, very dark. 906 is parrot green, medium. 910 is emerald green, dark. 913 is Nile green, medium. 915 is plum dark. 917 is plum medium. And 938 is coffee brown, ultra dark. Okay, so I'm gonna have to move them, but so far we have lots of blues, greens, and purples. Okay, so let's move these out of the way. It's a lot of colors, guys. Okay, where was I? 939. Of course, I didn't write it down. It's like a blue, dark blue. 947 is burnt orange. 955 is Nile green light. 977 is golden brown light. 995 is electric blue dark. And 996 is electric blue medium. That's pretty. 3078, let's see. 3078 is golden yellow, very light. 3328 is salmon dark, very little of this one. 3371 is black brown. And 3608 is plum, very light. Almost finished, guys. 3746, two bags of this, and this is blue violet dark. 3755 is baby blue. 3766 is peacock blue light. And 3805 is cyclamen pink. 3806 is cyclamen light. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. 3819 is moss green light. Very little of that one. 3837 is lavender ultra dark. 3840 is lavender blue light. And the last one, 3849, is teal green light. Okay, again, lots of blues, lots of purples. All right, so let's move these aside. And now the 6 ABs. Wow, guys, 6 ABs. Okay, so we have 107 AB. It's like a red orange. Very, very pretty. 119 is like a purple. 120, these are all ABs again, guys. This is like a blue. 124 is a pink. We got 2 bags of yellow. 130. and 141 is white. So let's bring back that beautiful painting and figure out where these beautiful ABs go. Okay. All right, let's see. So we're going to look at the legend very quickly. 107 is going to be symbol number 1. So wherever we see number 1, and let's move this out of the way because we're seeing a glare. Okay, so 107, we said 1. Okay, I see some over here on the stained glass, some here, some down here, some here. So it looks like it's on the glass, not on, well, let's see. Let's see if there's some on the flower. Oh, actually there is some right here. It looks like, guys, that these ABs are going to be everywhere, sprinkled everywhere. So let's look at the purple one, which is number 2. Yep, this is going to be on the petals, mostly on the petals. I see lots of 2s all over. Over here, there's 2s here, there's 2s. Oh my gosh, this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. Okay, 124 is 124. Oh wait, I skipped 120. Okay, 120 is going to be blue, and that's symbol 3. And that's also going to be, yep, it looks like it's going to be on the petals. Let's see, where are you? Symbol 3, right here. There's some here. There's some here on the glass. Let me move this over here. It's going to be sprinkled everywhere, guys. That's what it looks like. So 124 is going to be 4, and this is also on the petals. Any up there? Nope. And some over here on the stained glass. Up here, I see 4s. Not too many, but there's some there. Okay, and then 130 is symbol 5. Yep, that's all over the yellow. All over the yellow. There's these 5s there. 5s down here. And of course, you're going to have 5 on the middle of the core of the flower. Lots of here. Oh my gosh. And the last one, this is 141. And this is going to be symbol the dot. So wherever, see down here, I see here, here. This is sprinkled everywhere. It's just basically everywhere. So can you imagine how beautiful this is going to look with all these 6 ABs, guys? It's going to be spectacular. So I hope you love this painting as much as I do. And have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. And thank you very much. Bye-bye. Take it easy, guys.